Floor to Edmund Rice International Limited. You have the floor.
Mr. Vice President, Edmund Rice International would like to draw the Council's attention to the inordinate delay in delivering justice to the victims of extrajudicial executions in Manipur, India. On the 4th of July 2018, the UN Special Rapporteur on Summary, Arbitrary and Extrajudicial Executions expressed her extreme concern at the delay in the investigations by the Central Bureau of Investigations into the 1,528 cases of extrajudicial killings placed before the Supreme Court in a public interest litigation filed by the Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association, Manipur and Human Rights Alert. The rapporteur condemned the lack of progress and observed that, quote, the delay appears to be deliberate, undue and unreasonable, unquote. We would like to inform the Council that the last hearing of this case in the Supreme Court of India was in September 2018. The Court has neither constituted a new bench nor listed it for hearing after the retirement of the senior judge. This is despite the petitioner's repeated mention of the matter before the Chief Justice in the open court. The glimmer of hope that the Supreme Court had once provided to thousands of widows and orphans awaiting justice appears to be drying up. We strongly urge this Council and the Special Rapporteur to remind the Government of India of its obligation under international human rights law to conduct prompt, thorough, impartial and independent investigations into all allegations of extrajudicial killings. Thank you, Mr. Vice President.
Thank you.